Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Daniel Rosal bringing you another video today from the south of Israel. And if you've ever traveled south in Israel from the center of the country towards Mitzpeh Ramon, which is one of the main towns in the south of Israel, which was actually built initially as a settlement for the highway workers on Road 40, then you might have seen this impressive archaeological site almost kind of keeping vigil over the road, and it looks ancient because it is ancient. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Daniel Rosal here bringing you today's video from the sweltering Negev desert in Israel at the Avdat National Park. A Nabatean site of historical intrigue. Was actually built as a town in order to contain or hold or give accommodations to the people working on Road 40, because then, as of now, it was a very remote part of Israel. And as you drive southbound on Road 40, if you look to your left, as you come into Mitzpeh Ramon, you can't help but notice this crazy looking historical fort in the background. And what this is indeed a historical fort.